All right, cool. So the next thing I'm going to show you is reports. Now, a lot of the other providers have like 1,000 reports and you totally get lost and you don't know which one to pull. We're super simplified in our reporting. I'll just kind of show you what it looks like. So go ahead and hit reports here. You'll see there's already kind of 2 reports that I was kind of playing around with. I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to add pretty much the token report here. I'm going to call this one balance 2024. I can name it. I can kind of add a little description, but I won't. I'm going to go all the way back, 2019. I'm going to pull it all the way to 2024 December. I'm going to select all my wallets. I'm going to not tackle this just yet. I'm going to keep it open. I'm not going to separate by wallet. I'm going to select all the tokens. I'll select all the chains, go back up, and I'll generate. And then you just got to give it a few seconds. All right, so now the report's generated. It's done. I go ahead and click into it. I'll see here a couple details. So here I'm seeing kind of opening balances, which are all 0 because I pulled all the way back. I'll see the in-out. I'll see the inbound transaction, the outbound, any realized gains and losses separated and then netted out, the closing balance, and here these are empty for now. And then if I toggle the fiat amount, that's kind of where these will get a little more populated. So I'll see kind of like the ins, the outs, the gains and losses, the closing balance. This is like your cost basis, which you'll probably have in QuickBooks or Xero or your accounting system. And then here, it's giving you the token price on December 31st, 2024. And then it's giving you what you potentially can book as an impairment or bring it up to fair market value. And then this is kind of your total at fair market value pretty much on December 31st, 2024. So this is kind of what you're going to have to book in your accounting system to get this value at fair market value. So that's kind of a very simplified report. It kind of gives you really everything you need. You don't really need too much more than that. You can download this report as well as CSV. And you can kind of play around with it a bit more easier than what you currently have. Go ahead and take that. Oh, 1 second. Always a problem whenever you download all those like that. You kind of split it up. You see here's the fiat amount. Here's the token amount. And you can kind of play around with these and verify that your balances are correct. Now you can pull another report as well. And this is kind of showing you pretty much a report, I would say, in the in the wallet view. So it's kind of like a wallet report you can pull. This time I won't take everything. Maybe I'll just start it from, let's start it from 2021, January, and we'll pull it to 2024. So you'll see some opening balances there. We'll select all the wallets again. We'll separate per wallet, all the tokens, all the chains, go back up, and we'll generate. We'll just wait a few seconds. And there it is, done. Click on the wallet view. So now it's giving you split by wallet. So now it's added all these tokens in by wallet. You'll see now there's an opening balance. This was your opening balance of ETH on January 1st, 2021. And here's your closing balance of ETH on January 31st, 2024. You can again switch it up to fiat and you can see what it was initially supposed to be in the beginning. Here's what it's supposed to end with. Here's gains and losses. Here's kind of bringing it up to fair market value basically. And again, you can download this. You can see it within each wallet. So that was Treasury Wallet. Here's Ops Wallet. And here's kind of anything with it in Kraken, basically. Yep, so that's how it works. Download it again, CSV. You can totally work it. Let us know if you have any questions.